men, the way big men they spray money. Man meet one big man now. Shaman. I kept it rich. I began to see on this event. You say when poor man come here, big man, then they say you be thief. I want to explain myself now before you arrest me. I'm the MC of this event. Do you have 1,000 naira? Let me show them something. I'll bring you back for you. Let me just photocopy it. What am I doing with your money? God has blessed me. You have 1,000 naira mint. People are looking at you, sir. Sir, the whole people, everybody here looking at you. 500. I don't think I had 500. Mint. Just bring one there. Okay, he's telling you, give me 1,000. Sir, God will bless you. Can you make it 2,000? Why will you be ordering him to give me his money when you got this is 1,000, right? Big man. Some big men they spray money for wedding. Like this. Come, you give me back, go. Come. Because you don't feel that person will feel money for this life. Just come and use your test. You know, we'll snap each other in the snap. Big men for wedding. Did they play any song on the background? Play. Small background, just reduce and small. And a joke. So, don't take it serious. Anything we're talking about, don't take it serious. Even returning it back to you in a joke. Did you play? See big men like this.
Tell me that you want some, tell me that you want a roof. I know the photos you can do, everything that you want to do.
Simple. Did you love them? Get locked. See you with that camera. See a number of women, my brother. Those people, if you do well, you know you invite them. Are you married? You're married. That's your wife? Oh no. She pull down for your shoulder. She'll be proud of you. I see your wife ugly now. If I tell her to do that side, me, greet your guys. Man, when you find wife, they can be proud. I know about women go carry 20 naira, but slap you. Chai, chinelo, chicken, baby. When you calculate all the money for your wedding, say what around 200. I know about women. Oh God. Oh. What is what they do? Your mind need to take to spray me money. Eh? Your mind need to tell you to. No, say the way our daddies now, wonderful men. See their wives, the way they dance those days. Did they get any old school music? Those days, the way our parents they dance with their wife for occasion. It is sweet. You see them dance with courtesy. Their wives, they give them respect. Did they play? You see them? Because of their wife fine. The way their wife they dance, she they dance they shy for her husband. Watch. Now the man, because of saying wife fine, even people who ain't know for the party, they greet them with pride. Watch. Brother, they tell you, say, now your wife be this. They wouldn't win in the snap picture. The girls nowadays, Snapchat, because if person girl be like this. I don't understand. Our mothers, one position. That time, nothing like Mary Kay, no mascara, no foundation, no roofing, no anything. Black and white picture, they find the way they be our mothers with their purse. You see them like this. Just one position. They wear long gown everywhere. They wear. Be our girls of nowadays. DJ, if you get any new school, all those new schools. Somebody say now. Hold on, DJ. Somebody say now. Say now. Girls of nowadays, bros. Girl when you never marry you. They should just escort you go party. She dey manifest. Just watch dance now for party. DJ play. DJ, this is a dance of a marine spirit. Eh, mommy? Mommy said a marine spirit. I tell you. Our mothers, they don't like zero bishop, but they know how they live their life. Oh, God.
Where money done for?
He said, this money important die. And you don't get round off, we don't get minister of happiness. This country is rounding off. So if you're not happy now, we'll report it to our minister. Like you just said, our chairman. Please, let's get them ready. Because right now, we'll go straight to the toast. And after that, the first assignment, the feeding of the couple. And we'll get down to the dance floor. The chairman, I take care. Alright.